Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you are new here. Wow, it feels like it has been literal ages, like absolutely forever. It feels like it's been so long since I've vlogged, and it really has been quite a while. Yes, hi. That's your food? Yeah. When I was putting their little bowls together this morning, I was thinking, man, they're gonna judge me for like giving them Pringles and Slim Jims for breakfast. Yeah, but that's what they want. That's what they ask for in the mornings. And so I just put a little bowl together with some of their favorite stuff like chips and Slim Jims, which they call them hots, and strawberries and fruit and stuff like that.
Watch me, Mom.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you. Oh, is that delicious? Anyway, so good morning. I figured I would take you guys along today on a little day in the life video. Yes, good morning. Right now it's about 7:30, maybe a little after 7:30, and me and the boys are up. Jim is still sleeping. He's about to get up and get ready to go to work. And then when he goes to work, we usually, as he's leaving, we head out the door as well, and we go down to the workout room, and I'll get my workout in, and then we'll come back and I'll get a shower or put Blake down for a nap, and then I will make me a cup of coffee, which is the most glorious part of the morning.
Mommy, I'm back.
Anyway, so good morning and welcome.
Good morning, guys.
Say welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog.
So I finally got me a pair of real tennis shoes. I wear like the fake tennis shoes. I don't know how to explain them, but they're not actually real tennis shoes. And so I finally got some real ones. These are just from Walmart. They're not very expensive at all. But they do the job, and I like them. I think they're cute, but I wore them yesterday. We went on a walk, and there was some slush and stuff on the sidewalks. And walking through the sidewalks, I ended up getting some black stuff on the shoes. And so I threw them in the washer, and they look all right now, but you can definitely still see that right there. So I'm going to try to find a way to get that out. If you know of a way, comment below and tell me what I should do. Maybe like, I don't know. There's weird stuff that usually gets the job done. Like peroxide or vinegar or something like that. Hey, are you talking mean to me? Hear me read that?
Yes.
Okay. So if you didn't watch my last video, go watch that because it'll explain more about what I'm about to say. But I just, a couple weeks ago, completed the Ultimate 30-Day HIIT course on the Fit On app with Danielle Pasenti. Loved it. Enjoyed it so much. There's your superhero books. But it came to an end, and now she is doing a program called Strong in Spring. It's her own program. She runs it herself. It's not on the Fit On app, so it's like completely her own. She kind of like does things on the Fit On app, like on the rest days. She'll encourage you to go and do a workout if you want to on the Fit On app. And so anyway, I've been loving it so far. So it is a little bit different. It's not video based, and so it's a bit out of my comfort zone because I've been so reliant on videos. And this one is like in an ebook form, so she breaks down the moves in pictures and then shows us how we can modify it, or if we want to take it up a notch and advance the move, she tells us how we could do that. And then I'll give you a little sneak peek. I'm not going to show you all of it because I'm not allowed to, but that's kind of what it looks like. But I'm not going to show you the whole workout. But that's the workout for today. High energy 2x4 HIIT. And then here are our calendars, and I actually have one more calendar that I'm thinking about printing off. and it's just the weekly breakdown of like the workouts for the week. So yeah, we've got the whole 6 weeks on this one, and then we've got the check marks for me to be able to check off each thing each day, the workout, the daily challenges, and the daily water intake. And then down here are the daily challenges. And then like today, no, that was yesterday's challenges, which I did. Water, I want to drink 1 gallon a day. She says to drink like 3 to 4 liters. I want to drink 1 gallon a day. So that's my goal. And then stretching. I didn't get a good stretch in yesterday, but I did stretch a little bit. And then I walked like over 3 miles yesterday with the boys. So I got all those things done. So anyway, that's just what I'm doing right now. Alright, and the thing that I got to help me with my water intake is this H2O capsule water jug. It holds half a gallon of water, and I think it is so cute. It's got this little sleeve on it that you can take off, and you can actually buy different sleeves. Y'all, I am sunburned from our walk yesterday. That's a whole story that maybe I'll tell you guys later. But anyway, super cute. You can put your phone or keys or whatever in this little slot. And I just love the print of it. I feel like it's so me, super girly, super me. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some water, get that ready to go. So I try to drink 2 of these a day. I try to drink 1 by 12 and then fill it up again at 12 and then drink that one the rest of the day. So, I'm gonna fill it up. Filling up my water. What are you doing? And I wish I was strong enough to drink water plain. And I wish I liked it enough to drink it plain, but I do not. So I put like 5 big squirts, because it's a lot of water, in my water. It's the strawberry lemonade. Yep, Crystal Light. Really good. I like it a lot. Alright, that should be good. All right, Blake gets so excited. So what I've been doing is I've printed off the workouts, and then I'll put a piece of tape on it, and then I'll hang it on the mirror so I can like look at it and stuff while I'm working out. And so that's what I'm going to do. I accidentally forgot my other one from earlier this week, so I got to take that home. Whew, but let's get it done. Kind of want to do something for my core, like my abs. See what I come up with. Felt absolutely amazing. JJ, you don't even have your shoes on. And we have to get everything together. Felt so good. I did a little finisher. I did like 4 ab exercises twice. So that was a good burn at the end. Felt so good. Now time to go home. All right, so I decided to get out of the house and take the boys to a little nearby park. And so they're just having some fun now. It's like 1:13 in the afternoon. It feels so good to get out of the house. Like getting out of the house the past couple of days, spending some time at the parks, going on walks, it has got me so ready for summer and like spring. Just these couple of days, it's just been so nice. So I am soaking up the sun while the sun is out. It has been just exactly what I needed, honestly. So we're home now, but I got a package in the mail from Amazon. A little while back I told you guys about how I've been dealing with some acne, as you guys can see. Like you can clearly see. Let me find good lighting. For months now I've been dealing with this, and I've been trying to figure out what it is. I thought that maybe it could have been the face wash that I was using. I was using like, I think it was Clean and Clear. I'm pretty sure it was Clean and Clear morning and night face wash. I'm not using any of that stuff anymore. In fact, I stopped using basically, well, anything. I basically stopped using all of it, lotion, all that stuff. And I still have issues with my skin. And I know that it's most likely hormonal because I am almost a year postpartum, and so my body's trying to figure stuff out as it gets farther along being postpartum. And I also am beginning to wonder if it's my shampoo and conditioner, even though I obviously don't scrub my face with my shampoo and conditioner, but I am wondering if just the shampoo and conditioner running down on my face is causing me to break out. I don't know. I really don't know what it is exactly. I wish I could like pinpoint it. This is for sure it, but so far I haven't been able to figure out exactly what it is that's causing my skin to act this way. So I got online and I did some research, and I found CeraVe, I believe it's how you say it. And apparently this company went like, they blew up. They went viral on TikTok. I did not know that, but when I was watching YouTube videos and like seeing different reviews and stuff, I saw that this company like blew up. And I've seen them before, and so I decided to go ahead and give them a try. I got their acne control cleanser, which this apparently is supposed to really help with like clogged pores, and then like blackheads and whiteheads. And then they have another one that's supposed to help with like the big pimples that you can get, you know, the ones with the actual pus in them. That's supposed to help with that. And I don't feel like I have that kind of acne, just more like dry, irritated under the skin type of acne. Anyway, so I got that, and then I got foaming facial cleanser. So my plan is to use this like every other day, or maybe twice a week or something like that, and then use this on the days that I don't use this in the morning, and then try to use this at night too. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try. I'm gonna go ahead and try the acne control cleanser and see how it feels on my face. And then I also really like the Aveeno Daily Moisturizer face cream. I've loved this stuff for a long time, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on too after I get done washing my face. So we'll see how I like them. Just gonna pull my hair back so it doesn't get super wet. Let's see. So you wet your face, and then you work it into your skin, and then you rinse it off. No biggie. have this little scrubber, but I'm just gonna use my hands for now, my fingers. Okay, I'm gonna use this. So you can see it pretty bad right now. Okay, so my first immediate thoughts on it are, it made my face feel good, like it makes my skin feel good. You can see it so bad. I'm kind of glad that I'm filming this right now, so that way if this does help, I can come back to this video and see just how much it's helped my skin. The lotion kind of burns a little bit, which it doesn't usually burn. It especially burns like where my acne is at. So we shall see. Alright, so we literally just walked in the door from going to Walmart. Like, I still have to unload everything out of the grocery. But y'all, I'm so excited! Look what we got! A new printer! It's an Epson Eco Tank. These things are like beasts. I'm so excited to get one of these. To have one of these now. Blakey's pretty upset. Are you okay? Oh, he's so upset. Come here. But yeah, Walmart had this in stock, and so I snatched it up. So excited.